Number 51, we have a lot of jumps and then a scale, and I think this one's really exciting and really pushes you to see which note is which, especially on the G string with all of these ledger lines. Now, I'm dyslexic, and some of my students are as well, and so when I have to deal with a lot of numbers and a lot of letters all at the same time, especially when doing something new, I get nervous, which makes my dyslexia go above and beyond and just really confusing me. So what's really cool about violin and the first position, a trick that I use is that if it's on a space, it's going to be an even number. So it's either going to be a 0, a 2, or a 4. So my open strings, they're all on space line, or spaces, not on the lines. So that's going to be open or 4 for all of those. And then all my 2s are on a space. So then if it's on a line, it's going to be an odd number. So it's either going to be a 1 or a 3. So starting this out, we're doing G, B, A, C. And so I'm able to say I'm doing open 2, 1, 3, 2, 4. These are awesome broken thirds is what this is. And they're really good to have in your ear and good to practice with your fingers. But getting used to those jumps. Take your time of saying it, of doing the fingers as you say it, with plucking and with your bow, so that you have as much practice with this and getting comfortable with reading the G string. So let's say it. Ready, say it. G, B, A, C, B, D, C, A. And then we have these eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3. So G, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, G, B, G, B, G, B, A, C, B, D, C, A, G, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, G. Cool. So that last measure of that first line, we're playing G, B, G, B, and then an additional G, B for that next line. So watch out for the repetitive notes. All right, now let's pluck it. Ready, go. G, B, A, C, B, D, C, A, and G, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, G, B, G, B, G, B, A, C, B, D, C, A, and G, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, G. Rest, rest. Now, right before I go into those eighth notes, in my head, I'm saying 3 and 4, and so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, and so that I'm ready for it to happen. All right, let's play 51. 1, 2, ready, go.